The primary problem that quick covers was invented to be a solution for is rust on vehicles, especially in commonly rusted areas on, say, pickup trucks. A lot of traditional repairs don't last very long due to the weather conditions and the salt that we experience on Iowa roads. The solution that we came up with is a rust-free product, being the actual quick cover itself, a plastic vacuum formed product that'll actually slip over a vehicle's rusted area and cover that up, and combined with rust inhibitors will last for a very long time.
Repair that used to cost $4,000 can now be done for $1,000 or $1,500. It used to be in the shop for 2 weeks, now it can be done in 2 days. So there's a lot of value being added, and it's a really beautiful product when it's done. Every time we install one, we still get that feeling of that first one that just snapped right into place and looked perfect. And it's incredible to be able to take something that's in your head and make it come to fruition and then see it on a vehicle and see a customer happy. Just that whole process is awesome. And once we had kind of proven the concept, we realized that we wanted to make these really large products, and that required a bigger machine. Those are really expensive, so we actually designed our own and built it from the ground up. So we have not only had to figure out how to make the products, but we had to make the manufacturing equipment to make the products.
Kind of a new concept, and a lot of people aren't aware of this as an option for their vehicles. So not only are we trying to educate body shops, but we're also trying to let the general public know there is an option other than traditional repair, which unfortunately doesn't last long. The money that we'll be using from the competition would be able to go towards creating new product lines, being able to diversify those products so we could get our products out to more customers in the state of Iowa and even across the country.
So thank you very much to the DMACC Foundation and to the very generous donor that made this possible.